Samsung proudly presents One UI 7, the latest update for Galaxy smartphones, bringing a refreshed design, enhanced features, and optimized performance. Internal testing on the Galaxy S24 series is already underway, with the beta program launching soon. One UI 7 delivers a more intuitive user experience with an upgraded Galaxy Themes app for personalization, including new themes and wallpapers. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 will be one of the first devices to receive Android 15 and One UI 7. Early tests show faster app launches and improved multitasking, making it ideal for foldable technology. Exclusive features like multi-window management and optimized battery life are tailored specifically for the Z Flip 6, ensuring seamless integration with the Samsung ecosystem. Devices eligible for One UI 7. Samsung Galaxy S24 series, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, Samsung Galaxy Tabs 10 series. Stay tuned for the One UI 7 beta and official release. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates.